You will be able to make money with only 3 simple actions, all performed on your smartphone. And you can repeat this process over and over again, cashing out money via other payment alternatives like PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Paytm, and a slew of other possibilities as well. This method may be used without the need for any special abilities or prior knowledge. Additionally, this is accessible across the globe. It is completely safe to utilize the software that we are going to demonstrate in this video. Because it is free, you will not be required to deposit any money into it for investing purposes. Consequently, stay on the video and pay attention because I'll be providing you with extra suggestions throughout the video that will help you earn double or even quadruple the money you've already earned. Simply pay careful attention to the video and follow through with what it teaches you, and you will almost certainly be able to earn money online. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Thanks for watching. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? In this video, I'll show you a variety of applications that you may use to earn money online, including some that are free. The first program that I propose for you to download is called Big Time Cash, and you can learn more about it by visiting their website. You can learn more about this app by visiting its website. Winter Games is the domain name for their website. You may also download this software from the App Store or the Google Play Store if you prefer. So the first thing that you will do in this app is play. The more tickets you buy, the better your chances of winning the cash prizes. Finally, after the timer expires, the tickets are tallied and a winner is selected by a random drawing. As a result, you will be able to make money on this program with only 3 simple actions. In addition, you'll have a chance to earn even more money by participating in a drawing after the time limit has expired. In the Google Play Store, the app's logo appears in a similar fashion to this one. You'll also be able to view the number of users who have already downloaded and used the app over there. As a result, while you're on the Play Store or the Program Store, double-check that you're downloading the correct app. Scrolling down below will reveal the various reviews that have been written by different users in regards to this app. You will notice that the app has received a very positive rating from a large number of people. You can read through these reviews to get a better understanding of how trustworthy and legitimate this app is. Tickets will be sent to you by using the app once again this year. In addition, after you've finished playing, you may cash in your tickets for actual cash. If you want to understand more about this software, you can visit their website or simply read the information right here on the Google Play Store. Also available are some samples of the games that you may play on this app. Here's an additional tip for you on how to use this application. When selecting a game, be sure to concentrate on one or a few games that pay well so that you don't end up wasting your time playing. Many games, but making less money under the name of the game, which I would propose that you concentrate on is Galactic Gates, is something to consider. If you concentrate on one game or just one game, they will give you many more tickets, which will result in you earning significantly more money. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to use the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? For the time being, we will move on to the next application that we have for this video. The next one is really called Pogo, and you can find it at the website pogo.com if you want to play it. As soon as you arrive at their website, you'll see that you can register for free, and in just a moment, I'll demonstrate how to register on their website, which will be quite simple. Consequently, be certain that you are paying attention to the video. When you visit the website, you will see that it has more games and that it has a large number of different categories from which to pick. If you go to the games section of the website, which is located in the top left-hand corner, you will find many genres of games from which you may make money. When visiting our website, I want you to concentrate on poker and solitaire games. This site's most popular games are both of the ones listed above. So make sure you're concentrating your efforts on both of them because doing so will yield the most profit. So allow me to demonstrate one of these games to you. If you were to click on this game, for example, you would be presented with further information on the game, including instructions on how to play it, as well as images of what the game really looks like. Consequently, just look over it and understand more about the game so that you will have an easier time playing it. Also crucial is that you understand the game well so that you can win these games, since the more games you win, the more money you will be able to make. Though you may lose the game, don't be discouraged, since there are other avenues through which you may still make money. Now, if you're already prepared to play the game, since you've gone over all the information, all you have to do is click on this button that says Play Now. When you click on that button, you'll be directed to a website where you can begin playing the game. However, before you can begin playing, you'll be shown advertisements, so be sure to wait until the advertisements are finished before beginning to play the game. What's especially convenient about this is that you can do it using either your mobile phone or your PC. So no matter where you are, all you have to do is take your phone or open your laptop and start playing the games on this web page. This is an additional tip for this website, and you may visit Puggy Says Constellation to take part in the challenge and earn even more money from this website by doing so. So just go to the website and click on the Challenges tab above, followed by the Pegasus constellation. To participate in the challenge, all you have to do is log in and play games for a total of 30 straight days. And with each day that you check in, we'll be able to track your progress, and you'll be able to win additional points, which translates into more money for you. It should be noted that on this site, the points are referred to as bag points. As a result, the more of this you have, the more of it you can convert into real currency. By the way, these are the many levels of achievement that you may reach on the site. You'll also get more poly points for each rank you reach. Consequently, develop the habit of checking in every day and continuing to participate in the activities on our website. In order for you to acquire these levels, you must first complete the following tasks. As you can see, there are several tasks to choose from, and you can simply participate in each challenge if you want to earn more points over time. Just a short reminder before we go on. You should concentrate your efforts on the solitaire and poker games, since they will earn you the most cash. As such, if you'd like to participate, just click on the register button right here and you will be sent to this page. Then, simply be sure to fill out all of the necessary information, such as your nationality and date of birth, and then click on the appropriate box to submit your application. After you've completed the registration process, you may begin playing games and earning money right away. We'll explore GetPaid2.com in this video as the third and last app or website that we'll be reviewing in this session. When you visit this website, you may just click on the button that says Join Free Today in order to register. When you arrive at the screen, you will be able to enter your login, password, and any other information that is being requested. Once you've finished, just click on the I'm not a robot and agree to the terms and conditions before clicking Complete Registration to complete the process. When you're registering, you may have a look around the site and notice that there are a variety of different games available. Every game you play here has the potential to earn you anything from $1 to $3 each. So while playing on this website, be sure to concentrate on the game of football tricks, since based on past experience, it is the most lucrative game available. So of course, you may continue to play other games since, as you can see, there are several possibilities available. When it comes to payment alternatives, this website also has a large number of alternatives. As a result, withdrawing money would not be an issue for anybody. That's all there is to it when it comes to applications of websites that I would suggest for you to download and use to play games in order to make money. You may begin visiting those websites and installing those applications right now, and you can begin making money just by playing video games. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to see you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.